In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI on PC in 2026. If you want to create presentations with Gamma AI using your computer, the process is simple and convenient. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Gamma AI. Once the website loads, sign in to your account using your preferred login method. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Gamma workspace. This is where you can create new presentations, open existing projects, manage your content, and access your available tools. To create a new presentation, select the option to start a new project. Gamma may give you different ways to begin, such as creating content with AI, using a template, or starting with existing content. If you want Gamma AI to generate a presentation for you, enter a clear description of what you want to create. Include your topic, target audience, presentation purpose, and any important details you want Gamma to include. Once Gamma generates the presentation, review the result carefully. On your PC, you can easily edit text, adjust sections, replace images, change layouts, and customize the presentation using the available editing tools. You can also add your own images or other content when needed. Make sure your visuals are relevant and support the information in your presentation. One major advantage of using Gamma AI on a PC is having a larger screen, which makes it easier to review layouts, edit content, and manage multiple sections of your presentation. After finishing your edits, preview the presentation from beginning to end. Check for spelling mistakes, incorrect information, layout problems, and anything else that needs improvement. When everything looks good, you can use the available options to share or export your presentation. And that's how you can use Gamma AI on a PC in 2026.